Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today, our topic name is points on a straight line. Points on a straight line. So, what is the meaning of points on a straight line? That means any coordinate. Is it on the line or not? Any point. So, like this is the point is what? This is 1 and this is 2. That means this is the point is what? Every time you have to take it the x-axis. So, 1 comma 2. That means this point, that means this coordinate is on the line. Okay, if any point not on the line like this one, this is the what is the point of this one? X-axis is 1 and y-axis 4. That means 1 comma 4 is not on the line. This is the meaning. Okay, now look at the example here. Work out the following points lie on the line or not, lie on the line or not. So this is the equation y equal to 3 minus x, y equal to 3 minus, that means this is the equation, or we can say that line, line. Now what is the coordinate? The first coordinate is 7 comma minus 4, 7 comma minus 4. So this is the equation I wrote here. Y equal to 3 minus x, y equal to 3 minus x. Here is the coordinate 7 and minus 4. Always you know that in a coordinate the first number every time is the x coordinate and the second one is the y coordinate. That means the first value is x value, second value is y. So look at this equation. The equation start from y. So y value is what? Minus 4. I wrote minus 4. Look at this one. Okay, y is what? Minus 4, and 3 write it as it is because the constant never be changed. This minus, the negative symbol, same, write it as it is. Now x is 7, x is 7. So minus 4, here 3 minus 7, how much? Minus 4. So left and right, whenever the left and right is it equal, then you can say that this point is on the line. If the left and right, when you calculate, if left and right not equal, then you can say that this coordinate is not on the line. Example B, look at here now. Again, y equal to 3 minus x, this is the equation. This x value is now minus 1 and the y is 4. So in place of y, I write it 4 and here is the 3 as it is. This equation is here, okay, 3 as it is, then minus, write it as it is. Now x value is minus 1, write it in the bracket, because minus into minus, when you write in the bracket, means multiply. Minus into minus is plus, plus 1. So 3 plus 1, how much? 4. Again, left hand side is 4, right hand side is 4. Whenever left and right is equal, then this coordinate is on the line. Now number C. Now the coordinate is 10 and minus 6. So x value is 10 and y value is minus 6. Now look at here. In place of y, I wrote it minus 6. Here is the 3. In place of x, I wrote it 10. So here is the minus 6. 3 minus 10, how much? Minus 7. 3 minus 10, how much? Minus 7. So minus 6 here. Left side is minus 6 and right side is minus 7. That means C. That means this is this coordinate does not lie on the line. That means suppose this is the line equation. Example, any line equation. Think that this is the line. Understand? So this coordinate 10 comma minus 6 somewhere here outside. Understand? Somewhere here outside. Example. Okay, it is not on the line. It is not on the line. It is the meaning. Okay, now look at here. Question number 1 is the homework for you. Now y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x. This is the equation. What is the first point is given? 0 comma 0. So x is 0 and y also 0. In place of y, I wrote it 0. In place of x, I wrote it 0. Remaining, write it as it is. So 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So whenever left and right is equal, then we can say that it is lie on the line. Example, look at this point. Y equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x. Now the coordinate is r. Minus 5 comma 10. So remember, every time the first value is x and the second value is y. Now substitute here in this equation. This is the equation, or we can say that line. So y value is 10 and 2 here as it is. X value is minus 5. So 10 is equal to, plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10. So 10 is equal to minus 10. So left and right both are not equal. Whenever not equal, that means this point, that means this coordinate is does not lie on the line. Does not lie on the line. Okay, now look at the question number 3. Y equal to 2x minus 1. Y equal to 2x minus 1. So now the point coordinate is what? F is equal to 1 comma 0. So now x value is 1 and y value is 0. So only write it wherever the y, write it 0. Wherever the x, write it 1. Remaining as it is 2 becomes 2 only, minus 1 minus 1. Example, so y, what is the here equal to 2, write it, and minus 1. So here is the x, x value is what? Here is the y, y means 0, and in place of x, write it 1 like this way. Okay, then 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1, how much? 1. So 0 and 1. So left side is 0, right side is 1. Both are not equal. If it is not equal, does not lie on the line. Okay, now one more I explain here. Y equal to 2x minus 1. Y equal to 2x minus 1. Now what is the coordinate? H I explain. Okay, minus 3 and minus 7. minus 3 and minus 7. That means in place of y we have to write it minus 7, in place of x we have to write it minus 3. So y value is minus 7, 2 here as it is. Now in place of x I write it minus 3, and I cannot write directly 2 minus 3, right or no? This minus 3 should be in the bracket. Why? Because this is 2 times x. There is no symbol means in between constant and the variable. If there is no symbol means it means multiplication. So write it in the bracket. So 2 times 3 is 6, but here's the negative because positive multiply with the negative is negative. So minus 1. So minus 7 is equal to minus 7. So left and right both are equal. It means this coordinate, this point is on the line. Okay, so what is the meaning of line? Look at here. Suppose this is the point is what? 1 comma 1, right or no? And this point will be 2 comma 2 because x also 2 and y also 2, and this point is what? 3 comma 3. This point is 4 comma 4, and this one is what? 5 comma 5. That means these are all the points lie on the line. If some point is, suppose this is 4 comma 1, this point is what? 4 comma 1. So this is the line equation. That means line means this like equation, some equation, right? And if it is outside, then we can say that this point does not lie on the line. Okay, your homework is textbook. That means this is the question textbook exercise 9.3b question number 1. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.